आज के टाइम में किसी लड़कियों को मूंछ वाला लड़का पसंद आना, इट्स अ टास्क, आई फील इट्स अ टास्क. So, you know, that mustache and all. So, even I was very nervous. This is my look. I don't know people will accept me or not. What about the teenage girls? पसंद आऊंगा नहीं आऊंगा, वरना कहेंगे who is this uncle? Who is this guy? Who is this cute looking boy keeping this mouse?
Zan Khan, or we should call Randhir Raizada these days, because you're becoming so popular, and your show Utte Dil Chodaye, which I am watching.
क्यों उत्थे दिल छोड़ा है? It's
Kyun
why.
Chodaye? Tell us
You
about
can.
the show.
So I'm doing this show for Sony Channel named Kyun Utte Dil Choda Hai, and it's been like more than 5 months now. I've been doing this show, and it's a beautiful show. इसकी जो स्टोरी है वो पार्टीशन पे बेस्ड है. कि पार्टीशन जब हुआ था, हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान जब पाकिस्तान नया देश बना था, तो हिंदुस्तान के जब बंटवारे हुए थे उसकी वो कहानी है. उस जमाने में जो मोहब्बत पनप रही थी दिलों में लोगों के, उस जमाने में जो वाकयात हुए थे, उस जमाने के जो सेक्रीफाइसेस थे. बेसिकली हम जब भी पार्टीशन की बात करते हैं, हमें जरा में सारे वॉर्स याद आते हैं कि हाउ वी सैक्रिफाइस्ड आवर लाइव्स, लाइक आवर एंसेस्टर्स, हमारे जो पुराने बड़े बुजुर्ग गुजरे हैं. लेकिन कोई भी ये नहीं बोलता था कि उस जमाने की मोहब्बत कैसी होती थी, 1940s की मोहब्बत कैसी होती थी. देख, दूर दूर से आंखों वाला प्यार, मतलब अगर एक बार आपने किसी को देख लिया, 6 महीने भी नहीं देखोगे तो चलेगा. सो उस खूबसूरती पे, उस पाकीज़गी पे ये शो बनाया गया है. जो हमारे राइटर हैं, जो प्रोड्यूसर हैं, शशि मैम, सुमित सर, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरती से एक किरदार को इन्होंने लिखा है और बहुत खूबसूरती से स्टोरी को लिखा है. एंड आई फील ब्लेस्ड to be a part of this show, to be really honest.
From Bhopal, you came to Mumbai.
Yeah.
It's a different world altogether for you, just like some other celebrities.
Yeah. So, if I tell you about my journey, I'm an engineer and actor. I'm an engineer. I've done engineering in electronics and communication. So I always say that, Mumbai has been extra kind to me. I still remember when I came to Mumbai, I gave my first audition and I got selected.
You're good looking and you're a good actor.
Like there like many out there like me, or like,
and lucky.
Yeah, I would say lucky. That's why I always say कि Mumbai has been extra kind to me. हमेशा से कहते हैं ना कि and I believe कि अगर आप अपने काम को लेके सच्चे हो, and if you really want it, तो nobody can stop you. आपको जो मिलना है वो मिलके ही रहेगा.
But acting क्यों? When you did engineering, why didn't you pursue a career in that?
It's a very filmy story because when I was in Bhopal, so I was never interested in acting in cinema, and never. I was a very carefree boy. I born and brought up in Bhopal. I have a big fat family over there. So like मेरी पूरी family में से कोई भी acting में नहीं था. So one day I was coming back from my college, and there was this shooting going on in Bhopal. So I stopped my bike. I was like, कौन shoot कर रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, पहली बार life में मैंने. And तो there was this line producer who is a friend of mine. तो वही shoot करा रहे थे. तो कहते there's this film named सत्याग्रह, उसकी shoot चल रही है. मैंने okay, ठीक है. So I was just standing there. And अपनी life में पहली बार मैंने किसी artist को देखा था. That was Amitabh Bachchan. Right in front of me. It's like 5 meters away. I was like, wow. And then I saw the treatment, I saw the stardom, people are going crazy. और जब मैंने right में देखा तो there was this Ajay Devgan, left में Arjun Rampal, Kareena Kapoor. मैंने, oh my God, this is life. This is life. I want to be an actor. So yeah, that was very fascinating. I was like, and I was right in the middle of my engineering. I was in sixth. I was giving my 5th semester.
Wow.
So it was a very, very tough decision for me, but slowly, gradually, कहते हैं ना कि एक शौक से वो आपका passion बन गया. So now it's just like I'm totally madly and badly and deeply into it. Yeah.
You have been in the news a lot. Okay. you were in MTV's Splitsvilla season 8, but you were
Yeah,
it was because of not being paid for the shows during pandemic, and a lot of people were suffering. I really want to salute you for that, to be honest with you.
thank you so much. Yeah, it was a very difficult time. Like I've been through. We all have been through. Me and my unit members. It was very difficult for us to survive that time. For me, I belong from a family where if I don't get my money, still I'll be okay with it. But I fought for the people. I fought for my unit. I fought for 120 people who were not getting paid. So yeah, it was a task. It was a nightmare, I would say, for me. Like we really struggled. We worked hard. We went to police stations, to all the politicians, MLAs, dharna. What all we did, I just can't tell you in words right now.
तो आपने बहुत बड़ा रिस्क भी लिया in the industry, क्योंकि you know that, right?
Ma'am, to be really honest, I don't think so. It was a risk because I know I was right. When
लेकिन
you know you're right, you're not scared of anyone.
yeah, but many other producers, because you know they're all बहुत close होते हैं.
Ma'am, I'm I'm a believer. I believe in Allah. I believe I know that one power is with me. Like when it comes to faith and all, mera yaqeen, it's very strong and very different from others. I don't care about other people. When I know कि मैं अगर अच्छा हूँ, मैं सही हूँ, मैं कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं हक के लिए ही अगर किसी से फाइट कर रहा हूँ, तो I know चीजें अच्छी होंगी मेरे साथ. And I'm glad and I'm very thankful to my Allah and after him like Sashi ma'am and Sumit sir. इतना बड़ा इतना अच्छा शो मुझे मिला.
And
Like
you're
I'm doing this, yeah, in this character, Randhir Rai Zada, is ruling. It's like what Sony's #1 character. This boy Randhir Rai Zada. What else you need? So it's going good.
तो
अच्छों के साथ अच्छा ही होता है मैम.
हाँ, तो मैं यही जो मैं आपसे सुनना चाहती थी, क्योंकि आपके फैंस वुड लाइक टू हियर दैट फ्रॉम यू, तो दैट विल गिव स्ट्रेंथ टू मेनी पीपल हु आर वाचिंग दिस शो, कि अगर आप सही हैं, सच्चे हैं और वो
Yeah,
है.
yeah, sometimes it's like क्या होता है ना, अगर मेरी अकेले की लड़ाई है, individually I'm fighting with someone. No, I was fighting for my people. I was fighting for my unit members. I was fighting for the people who earn 10,000 grands in a month.
That's it.
That's it. So I that's why I'm saying I just can't tell you in words how difficult it was, how depressing it was. I used to get calls from my unit members, Zan bhai, please help us. We need money, we don't have food. And that too what coronavirus was going, pandemic, lockdown, what all not, एक ही बार में कितने सारी परेशानी आ गई थी उन पे. So I had to do it. Someone had to do it.
Yeah. Even Rubina was saying, Rubina Dilan,
Yeah.
I show she did mention that कि जब उन्होंने career शुरू किया industry में, she was not being paid and she had to sell her house, she had to sell her car to pay her bills.
That's what, ma'am. We actors work so hard. We actors work day and night. We actors work for like 18, 16 hours at a stretch. And after putting so much, after giving 100%, after working so hard for something, अगर आपको अपना कहते हैं ना कि मेहनताना ही नहीं मिलेगा, then there's no point. Then you'll feel bad, then you'll feel sad, you'll be disappointed, you'll be shattered. Like seriously. And because of some people, like few people, I would say what, like 10% or maybe 9%, उससे इंडस्ट्री का नाम खराब होता है.
सही कहा.
Because TV or movie or beat OTT industry is not like that.
Mhm.
Like यहाँ पे लोगों का बहुत बड़ा दिल होता है. They give you, they respect you, they'll give you money as much as you want.
Right.
If you're working hard, yeah.
So are you looking into getting into the OTT industry now?
Ma'am, like as of now, I'm just concentrating on Kyun The Dil Chhodai. That's it. So, like that is me. When I do something, I'm just like totally into it. एक project एक ही बार में करता हूँ. I don't like doing 2-3 projects simultaneously. Because I live my character. I live Randhir Raizada because वरना बहुत मुश्किल था इतने कम time में इस character को सबके दिलों में उतारना, because he's a शायर, एक बहुत अलग सोच का है, पुराने जमाने का है, 1940s का है. कोई मूछें रखता है, आज के टाइम में किसी लड़कियों को मूछ वाला लड़का पसंद आना, इट्स अ टास्क, आई फील इट्स अ टास्क. So, you know, that mustache and all. So even I was very nervous. This is my look. I don't know people will accept me or not. What about the teenage girls? पसंद आऊंगा नहीं आऊंगा, वरना कहेंगे who is this uncle? Who is this guy? Who is this cute looking boy keeping this mouse? So I was very nervous in the starting, but thankfully, I'm really happy. Like, people are in love with this character named Randhir Raizada. I'm in love. Zan Khan is in love with Randhir Raizada. So,
बट
yeah.
अगर आपके फेवरेट अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ काम करने का ऑफर आए आपको कल,
कल I can't lose this project. I'm very मेरे लिए commitment बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. I'll finish this project and then I'll do something else. और अगर कुछ ऐसा होता है तो I'll talk to my producers about it. If you guys are okay with it, I can't ditch them because they're the one who give me this opportunity. So I'm a very obedient and kind of a guy. So yeah.
So I want to know because Big Boss reality shows आजकल बहुत पॉपुलर हैं एंड ये जो बिग बॉस है या खतरों के खिलाड़ी है, ये जो रियलिटी शोज हैं ओवरनाइट फेम देते हैं ये शोज. You have seen that and we have seen that what happened with this new show also. I know you have been offered and
Yeah. Neeta ji, I'm already doing this. I'm doing a show for Sony TV Network, and that too as a main lead boy, and that is a big show. So right now, I think I'm happy with what I'm doing right now. Yeah.
so मुझे अब जानना है जान खान के बारे में. जान खान कौन है, क्या है रियल लाइफ में?
Zan Khan real life mein I would say is a goofball. I'm very talkative. I'm a very extrovert kind of a person. I like blabbering, over the top energy, over enthusiastic, very emotional. So this is Zan, like just opposite to Randhir Raizada.
Okay, and your co-star Gracie said that you are self-obsessed.
Who, me?
Yeah, you love to see yourself in the mirror. You really love to see yourself a lot. She was like,
No,
on top.
it just sometimes when I get ready, when you wear good clothes and when you're looking good on the camera, it's normal. I feel.
Most mentioned that अभी मैं 25-30 साल की एज तक I will focus in my career. अभी शादी वादी की कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता ना.
Yeah, 100%.
Which is fine. But what makes you think कि having a girlfriend आपके करियर में इंटरप्ट करेगी? आपके करियर
No, I've never said that. It's all about that. It's all about that connect. अगर आपको किसी से connect feel होता है, and you can't plan these things in life. It happens out of the blue. So I'm that kind of a person, and I'm a very I love Romeo and Juliet, Heer and Ranja. I'm that kind of a person. I believe in crazy love, you know. So yeah, and when it has to happen, it will happen.
Well, click word, we hear that all the time here from our children. Mom, didn't click. Auntie, didn't click. So that when they're young, every time they ask one question, whenever you say something, why? Why? Anything you ask them to do it, why?
Why?
When these kids grow up, didn't connect yet. So with the connection 30, 35 years passes by. So that's
no. I'm not going to do that mistake. I'll get married by what, 32 max, 30, 32. My mom is after my life.
yeah, I mean 30, 32 is the perfect age.